Now our new video is going to be the topic of no solution, infinite solution, or having just a regular number for a solution. For the first problem I want to review, (8x plus 3 equals 8x plus 27. Recall that our first step is always to distribute. However, we don't have parentheses, so there's nothing to distribute. Our second step is always to simplify. Well, if we pretend this is a river, we want to look on this side of the river, and there's nothing to simplify. And on this side of the river, nothing to simplify. So we can move to our next step. That would be moving our variable terms. Well, this is our variable term, and we always want to move those to the left. So if this is a positive 8x, I have to subtract 8x on one side. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I have 8x minus 8x, that cancels out. I have 8x minus 8x, and that cancels out. At this point, we can rewrite it saying 3 equals 27. Well, we know that 3 will never equal 27, so it is no solution, which you can write either way. Another problem is if we have negative 5x plus 6 minus x equals negative 6 minus 6x. Our first step is always to distribute. This negative has to be distributed to both terms inside. So negative 5x minus 6 minus x equals negative 6 minus 6x. So what I do is I do one step, which is distribution, and then I rewrite everything else. My second step is to simplify, combine like terms or simplify. Negative 5x minus x is also the same as negative 5x plus a negative. We're going to add those and keep the sign. So negative 6x minus 6 equals negative 6 minus 6x. I don't want you to stop there. I want you to move variable terms at this point. So we're going to move the variable terms to the left. They're going to do that by addition. Negative 6x plus 6x will cancel out. Negative 6x plus 6x will cancel out. And we are left with negative 6 equals negative 6. Well, that's a true statement, and they'll always equal each other. So we're going to call that infinite solution. And that's how you can write it, either with the infinity symbol, looks like a sideways 8, or with infinite solution. The third way is what we normally get, which is when we get a number for an answer. Just to be clear, 0 is a number, and you can have that as a solution.